When switching to a new or different Galaxy phone, easily transfer your watch to your new device so you can continue using it. First, make sure you're signed in to the same Google account on both devices. Then, open Settings on your watch. Next, tap General. Now, tap Transfer Watch to New Phone. Your watch will ask you to confirm the transfer to a new phone. Read the notes and then tap the check mark. Now, on your phone, open Galaxy Wearable and tap Start. Next, you will be prompted to allow Galaxy Wearable to find and connect to nearby devices. Tap Allow. On your phone, tap on your watch name when it appears under Available Devices. Next, verify that the pairing numbers match and tap Confirm. Your phone will download software to communicate with your watch. Now, review and agree to the license agreements and privacy policy, and tap Continue. Galaxy Watch Manager requires access to your watch. Review the permissions and tap Agree. It will take your Galaxy Watch a few moments to finish setting up on your new phone. In the meantime, tap Explore to learn some tips and tricks for navigating your new watch. After your Galaxy Watch finishes syncing, enjoy your Samsung devices working together in perfect harmony.